go to that left path, maybe you get it out. It's a waste of time.
But just like the validate, the 1500 soju here, 1500 supplement.
That's not worth it.
Just one stone.
One stone is not worth it.
What if you have 49 stones? You knew there were any stones coming out forever. And you knew this was one stone. Not forever, but like you knew it wasn't anything coming. You need
How
that
long
one
is it gonna
stone.
take you to get that?
You got 8 stones to get that one stone.
Oh, that's ridiculous. It's not worth it. When's the last time you sprayed a stone on step and it killed you?
I have to do one.
Yeah, okay. I can see that. You're like, Reddit's really not even that good.
It is, bro. You see, this is the second best AOE in the game. Yeah, no, but Vegeta, he needs 18 needs. That's ridiculous.
It's a bit unorthodox, but if you get it off, yeah.
Sammy, you sign up? Did you sign up? Oh, Ross. Can you do me a favor? Give me, make a name tag. Put like Rock on it.
I would just like to say he's not a bracket.
Let's lose your semis. Let's lose your semis.
I'll just start doubles after that. Or should I start doubles now?
I got liquid in like a couple days ago, and like stable. I was like, almost Not just this.
Attention smash 4! Sunshine friendly! Doubles bracket is starting! Yeah!
I can't.
Shut down the